So here's a bonus tip. This painting is still really wet, and so I could go right around everything around the outside with white, but I'd constantly be having the trouble with touching the paint there and it blurring and getting stuck into my white.
Yeah.
So I've used a little bit of fast medium to put a little bit of browny green under there for my signature panel. Let the whole thing dry. In a day or so, I'll go in and paint everything all around, including right over the top of this panel here. And then straight away, I can use my pure titanium white. And then after, because that'll all be dry, and I just put my titanium white everywhere to clean up the background, right over the top of this dark panel here. And then I scratch my signature into it. And it's a contrast between the white on top and the dark underneath, but it's in colour harmony with the painting.